See, I love the earth tones, the yellows, the oranges, the greens, the browns. Like, that's my favorite. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kadia Aisha2 and I am here with an unboxing video. This is a special unboxing video because I've ordered this Telfar bag months ago. Okay, I've ordered this Telfar bag so long ago that I forgot about it. I even forgot what color I purchased and everything, and then randomly it just showed up. So this is not my very first Telfar bag. I got my very first Telfar bag last year for my birthday, and it was light blue. I did not like it, and the only reason why I got it was because someone had posted it on Facebook saying they were selling it, and I was like, oh, I really want this Telfar bag. And right now they are all sold out, and these are this is the only color and the only Telfar bag that I'm seeing that is available for me for a reasonable price. So I ended up purchasing it, and I didn't like it. I did wear it, but it was not something that I was satisfied with, so I ended up selling it to a friend. So anyways, what we've all been waiting for. Alright, so I had to cut everything off because I feel like it's very important that we talk about the face behind Telfar, the brand. So Telfar Clemens was born January 1985 in Queens, New York, to Liberian parents. Telfar, the brand, was founded in 2005 while he was still a student at Pace University. And by the way, though the bags are the most talked about, Telfar has genderless clothes that fit his fashion vision. You should check them out, they're really dope. And speaking of clothing, Telfar was the official sponsor of the Liberian national team for the Olympics of this year, which is a project he and artistic director Babel Radboy, I believe that's his name, had been wanting to work on for quite a while. Oh yeah, and back to the bags. So you can actually get your hands on one of these if you are aware of the bag security program, which is a pre-sale event that allows customers to secure any shopping bag of your choosing minus size, color, or quality limitations. That's how I was personally able to secure mine, but keep in mind it took a very long time for it to come. But back to the video. If you want more information on Telfar, please watch the links listed below. Got my Telfar bag. I did open the box already, and I took a little peek, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait until I, get the whole video started so I can do a Telfar bag unboxing video. It's because I've never done an unboxing video, so why not? So this is the box that it comes in with, obviously your packaging information and all that other extra stuff with your address on it. So it comes like this, and then it opens like that. And this is literally how it comes. It literally comes in this bag right here. And obviously the Telfar logo. So yeah, this is really cute. I really like this bag. The last bag that I had, it was really, really small. I didn't like that one. I mean, I guess it was cool just to have and just put little cute stuff in it. But honestly, I needed something bigger. Like, I'm a big fan of big bags. I'm a small girl who loves big bags. I love to put so many things in there. You know what I mean? Like, that's just how I am. So this is what it come in. It come in this dust bag, which is really freaking cute. You can use this for like anything, unless you don't. If you're not using your Telfar bag, you can just throw it in here, tie it up, and just hang it up somewhere or hide it somewhere when you're not using the bag. So this is the bag that it comes in. It comes in this dust bag. Really, really cute. The quality of this dust bag is really nice too. This can be used for some other things as well. I'm gonna pull it out. And as you can see, I got the medium. This bag was $202. I paid $202 for this. I think the smaller bag is like $150, and the large is $257. I'm not mistaken. So this is it. It comes literally just like this. It's so freaking cute. Look at that. Yeah, and this is vegan leather for those who do not know. If I'm not mistaken, I feel like most of the vegan leather that I've seen was always so flimsy, but the quality of this is actually like, it's good. Like, I really, really like this bag. I can fit my laptop in here. I can fit my camera in here, my Canon camera. I can fit a mini tripod. You know, a lot of things go in here. You don't want to do too much, obviously, because it's a shopping bag. But with your laptop, yeah, it can definitely fit in here. And I'm really a fan of this. This is really cute. I really wish I would have got the chocolate brown though. The chocolate brown, the black, and the green is what I really wanted. I could have got it, but I don't know why I didn't get it. Cause it was the back security day. I think that's what it's called. When I ordered this, and that was a long time ago. That was so many months ago. And I wanted to purchase 2 bags, but I was like, you know what? Let me slow down. Let me get one and then reward myself later once I do something, you know, extravagant or something. Like, I feel like I have to deserve the bag. And honestly, I did deserve this one, but I definitely did not deserve 2. It comes with this thing that's, I think this, yeah, this comes off. Here, let me show you guys. This thing right here, it comes off, and this is the strap. This strap is pretty long. It's I really love the stitching also. The stitching so far looks good, but you know how that go. We'll see over time how it do. Due to the fact that it's vegan leather, meaning faux leather. It is not real leather, and that's okay. And that's okay. I really like this. All right, let me go ahead and open it. Let's see, you guys can see a little better. So yes, this is really, really cute. Let me show you the inside. I love how it has like the logo right there also stitched in there. And this one has a zipper, which I really like this. The smaller one does not come with the zipper, which I was low-key sad about. I was like, dang, so this thing just ain't got no pockets. But I really like the quality of this thing. This is definitely different than the smaller one. Let me see. This is really cute though. This is really, ooh. Hold on. Damn, I wish I would have got that brown bag. I wish I would have got the chocolate brown. That would have been beautiful with my skin, but I just want to let y'all know, all brown people, if you are chocolate and you have beautiful brown skin, please get the chocolate brown. Like, you won't regret it, and I know it, because I ended up getting cream, and cream is really nice too. I really, really like this. I really wanted something settled, but now I'm starting to regret not getting the chocolate brown. Like, that would have went so freaking crazy. Ooh. Damn. But I still like this one. I really do. It could fit so many things in there, and I'm about to test it out right now. Okay, so here is my laptop. I forgot how many inches this is, but it's the MacBook Pro. Is it the Pro? I think I got the Pro. Yeah, Pro. It can fit right directly in, which is so nice. Oh wow, I really, really like this. You don't want to put too much stuff in here. You don't want to wear it out too much, because you want it to stay exactly how it is. I really freaking love this medium. I think I'm gonna just collect the mediums. I think the colors that I want are definitely the chocolate brown, the green. I love green. I love earth tones, period. Like, that is just my vibe. As you can see, I love the earth tones, the yellows, the oranges, the greens, the browns. Like, that's my favorite. And then obviously I got cream out the box, so that's great. You know what's so funny? So I tried to get the black Telfar bag recently, actually, and I was there at 8:59, probably 8:58 for real. I refreshed the page, everything was open, it was ready for me to purchase. I get there and I put the bag in the cart, after I put the bag in the cart, I did the whole checkout process and everything, and then all of a sudden it's asking for a verification of if I'm human or not. I'm like, are you serious? So I ended up doing it anyway, got it out the way, and it had me in the waiting line. So I'm sitting there, I'm checking the bag out, and it said 1 minute. I kid you not, when I clicked everything went through, it said 1 minute left. You're in the line or some shit like that. And I was like, bet. All right. So I'm waiting in the lines, and it says 50 seconds left, 40 seconds left, and they just kept going down, triple to one, and next thing you know, it was sold out. I was like, are you serious? How you make me waste all my time to get this Telfar bag, and then you get my hopes up at the very end when you told me I was in line and I was in and everything was good. Like, who are these people that is going way before me when I went and checked in 10 seconds before it even opened? Who was going 15 seconds earlier? I really do not understand. I do not know how that happened. That was witchcraft. That was witchcraft for real, because I swear to you, I was literally 1 minute. It said 1 minute on the site. So why did I not through? Why didn't I go through? I really want to know what happened there. Maybe it was because what is it, when it asked me to verify if I was human, to see if I was an alien or not. Maybe that's the reason. I said Telfar got some shit up his sleeve, and that's the reason why I didn't get the bag. So that's the story on how I didn't get the black Telfar bag, but I'm coming for that bag eventually, so I can't wait. Hopefully I get it. What?
You see the pants that you're wearing? My hair too. Why you keep dating now? I heard you think it's coming from.
Okay guys, so that is it for the video. If you did like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and also tell me your favorite colors that you got from Telfar, or the colors that you want to get from Telfar. I did tell you guys the colors that I want, which are the earth tones. That is my favorite so far. I'm not really into bright colors, but maybe, you know, you never know, in the future maybe I will try to tap into the bright colors, maybe next year in the spring when I'm able to get a bag. I don't know, but we'll see. Please comment and like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and can't wait to see you next time.